Hello, teacher. My name is Arturo. Here is my test, my blog. The title is Biden saying nature has never been more united than it has today in response to Russian invasion. In remarks after meeting with NATO leaders in Brussels, USA President Joe Biden said, "We're determined to sustain efforts outlined during the emergency NATO meeting right after Russia's invasion of Ukraine and to build on them." The United States is committed to provide over $2 billion in military equipment to Ukraine since I became president. Anti-air system, anti-armor systems, ammunition, and air weapons are flowing into Ukraine as I speak. And today I am announcing the United States prepared 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 to commit more than $1 billion in humanitarian assistance to help get relief to millions of Ukrainians affected by the war in Ukraine, Biden said. How far will President Putin allow this? One question. Eh, ok, esto es dos párrafos. El primero es aquí y la, o sea, la imagen. Y ok, esto es todo. Gracias, profesor.